Making money online is the dream of many people. But it is not easy to make a living online. There are a lot of things that need to be taken into consideration before you can start making money online. In this video, I will show you an easy way to make up to $3,000 per month and what is the best place to start with this method. But first, just imagine. How would be your life if you earn $1,000 or more each and every day? Achieve your financial freedom, obtain the peace of mind, and enjoy all the luxuries of life. I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. So, make sure to check the links below in the description. I am sharing a very special and exclusive method to make more than $1,000 each and every day. Also, I am sharing other amazing apps to make some money instantly, and I am always updating them. So, make sure you don't miss out on that, to live your dream lifestyle. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. I am always updating on new money-making hacks for free. You would rather have the freedom and flexibility of working from home than the stress and anxiety that come with a job you don't like. If you would like to make extra money, you aren't alone. Making money online is not as hard as you might think. There are many ways to earn money on the side, and one of the easiest ways these options is through transcription. Do you have a laptop with a high-speed internet connection? Can you type? Then becoming a work-at-home transcriptionist can be quite easy. Many transcription jobs require no experience. As long as you understand and can write English and have a respectable typing speed, you're free to apply for work. Transcription is a job that can be done anywhere and at any time. It is a great opportunity to earn some extra money. Transcription is the process of taking a video or audio recording and converting it into written text. Here I will show the best transcription 3 site. You can start with no experience and make money instantly. 1. GMRTranscription.com. GMR Transcription was founded in 2004. They have huge numbers of customers from writers to universities to government institutions, non-profit organizations, and more. To get started, all you need is a computer with high-speed internet and over-the-ear headphones. No experience is required. You have the freedom to work from home at your own pace, with the flexibility to pick and choose which assignments you take. Working as much or as little as you want is entirely up to you. The transcriptionists and translators on GMR typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month, depending on their skills and the kind of work they take. You can earn more if you take more difficult assignments or files with expedited turnaround times. As you become more experienced, you start earning more income for the same amount of time you put in. For the time being, they hire US-based transcriptionists only, so if you live in the USA, you can start working with them. If you are not USA-based, don't worry, the next 2 sites accept transcriptionists from all over the world. 2. Rev.com. Rev is one of the best sources of online transcription jobs. They have more than 170,000 clients worldwide. Rev is always looking for transcriptionists with superb English proficiency and attention to detail, a solid opportunity for any budding freelance writer. You don't need any experience with transcription work to get started. For transcription jobs, they pay 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. Also, there are captioner jobs. Just watch the video, accurately type what is being said, and get paid 54 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. 3. TranscribeMe.com. TranscribeMe offers training and starting pay of $15 to $22 per audio hour, and the monthly earnings range up to $2,200. Typically, you'll be transcribing short clips of 2 to 4 minutes, and you can take on as much work as you want. Basically, when one clip finishes, the next one loads automatically until you feel like stopping. It's a fairly simple process. They also offer advancement opportunities for medical and specialty styles, which pay at even higher rates. Now, ready to take the next step to have your dream lifestyle? Make sure to check the links in the description below to know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day, and the other apps to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.